Okay, this tutorial is on how to customize your profile. Some people might be wondering, how can I customize my profile to work like MySpace or whatnot? And on thegreekprofessional.com, we have a custom customizer. And pretty much all you have to do is, once you're logged into your account, go to the top of the page and click My Profile. Once you click My Profile, it should take you to your profile. Now, I've been messing around my profile a bit, messing with different transparencies and stuff like that. So just so you can pretty tweak it out, pretty weird. You can do pretty good, you can do pretty bad. But I was just messing around so that you can see a picture of me and my LBs. So I'm still gonna play around a little bit. But there's where when you log into your My Profile account, it should be a indicator that says My Profile. Now on that, it should say View Profile, Edit Profile, Profile Photos, which is this right here where you add your profile photos. You should have Profile Music, Profile Video, My Music Gallery, and Customize Profile and My Friends. What you need to do is click on Customize Profile, the second one from the right. Now once you do that, it takes you to this page here, which pretty much is a graphical user face that changes HTML codes for you. Now, if you want your background to be transparent, you actually have to copy and paste the word transparent in there, and then the code will automatically understand that you want that transparent. That's for anything. If you want your headers, your boxes, like right here it says blocks transparent. I think I want to change my blocks to, let's say, white, and then I want to save my changes and then go back down, and then we're going to go back to my profile. Hopefully that took effect. Maybe I need to refresh. But as you can see, now the background of my boxes are white. It's much cleaner, way cleaner. So when you do the transparency thing, just make sure you do it with a little taste, so people still be able to reach your page and your content. Now this quick search box right here, I'm going to be changing that pretty soon anyway. It's going to be huge, like nice plush icons to click on. So don't worry about that right now. But we're going to go back to the customize. One thing you do have to pay attention to is the text. Now I always select, when you mess around and customize, it automatically sets your text to a certain default text, and it makes it sort of look all small. So make sure when you start messing around is that you set your text to normal. Now there's other text in here, big fat plush texts, but I like the normal text, and I like my text to be set at 14. You can set it at any size you like. My colors, I pretty much just, purple and gold for Omega Sapphire. So I pretty much just selected gold and the border colors to be, purple. And it's pretty simple. Now in terms of an image for your background, all you have to do is pretty much click the browse here and find any image that you like on your computer. Now I'm on a Mac, so it's a little bit different, but if you select the browse button on your PC, you'll know what to do when it comes along. Now once you upload your image, it'll automatically slap it in the back, and depending on the size of your image, you might have to tile it. You might have to, like right here, stay put. You can make your image stay put or move with the scroll. Tiled, full tile. So I hit full tile because I wanted my picture when you load in to pretty much fill. Oh, I accidentally clicked my account, but I wanted my picture to repeat all the way down the page. So from starting with my one Jeff and then me, the tail, you can pretty much see that it's repetitive. Now we're gonna go back to the customized page, second one from the right, once again, from within your profile, and now we're in there. Now these little numbers right here, you see like pound FFFFF, don't worry about that. Those are that's what the computer needs to know what color it is. So just click in this box right here on the right, or anywhere there's colors. I'm sorry, the color palette. It'll look like that, and then you click that, and pretty much you can select any color you want for your header box and whatever. And if you play with this right, you can have a really nice, clean, professional page. So if you have like a store or whatnot, you can paste in your codes and for your buttons and actually match your original website. So you can actually generate business from customizing your profile. Border thickness, the border size. Let's say I'm going to change my border thickness down to 3x, and then I'm going to save the changes, and I'm going to go back to my profile. Do not click on the view profile at the bottom. Click on the my profile at the top. It will take you back. And as you can see, now my border size is not all big and clunky anymore. It's actually smaller and cleaner. And it looks a lot better. I'm going to go back to customize again. Let's say you want to change your header. I do not advise changing your header too much, because this right here is your header. If you change that to transparent, you will not be able to see my account, my mail, my profile, presence, and log out. It'll be very, very difficult. So try to keep that at least white, and then doctor up the rest of your page. Your blocks, try to keep a nice, clean, solid color for the background of your block. Right here is the background color. So mine is white and my text is yellow. To be more professional, I'm going to keep my text at black inside of my blocks. And your blocks are pretty much the blocks that you see when you log in. So we're going to go back to my profile at the top of the screen. And as you can see, all the text inside of my blocks now are black. And my font is set to normal. And it's the Greek gallery. It's over 200 Greek images in there. Then we're going to go back to customize profile once again. Now you can see the words were still gold inside my header box. So it says header text right here. We're going to change that. Let's say I'm not going to use too much black, so I'm going to go ahead and use royal purple if I can find it. Alright, that's royal enough right there. And we're going to click that. And then we're going to go down and save again. Make sure I saved it. Then I want to go back to my profile. And when you come back, as you can see, it's where it says quick search or description, it's a dark purple or a royal purple. This right here is only gray because you haven't clicked on it yet. That activates the chat, but really doesn't affect anything else. So let's go back to the top of your screen and go back to customize profile. The same with the background color. If you didn't have an image, you would be able to change your background color to, let's say, purple. This is the overall profile image. Behind that, you can change that color. We're not going to mess with that. Bottom footer, you can change the color of that. And that's this area down here. It's pretty much the same no matter what page you're on. So no matter what you do in this search box, everything should still stay the same. Another note, this website is best viewed with Firefox. Firefox is the best browser yet. So if you want to use this site, make sure you have the latest version of Firefox, and that will be supplied at the bottom of each page. So make sure you take advantage of updating your system when you get a chance. Let me see, my friends, and that's pretty much it.